Hi, it's Joan. I was going through our random hands, having a lot of fun with them, when this one came up. So I thought I'd like you to have a look at it too, because sometimes preempts can work beautifully for your side and they can upset the other side, and sometimes the very opposite happens. What would you do on this hand when partner starts with three clubs? I would automatically bid over three clubs by partner because I've got a solid heart suit and, you know, it's a new suit at the three level is forcing. So I would never let partner play in three clubs in case they had a doubleton heart, and it might be better to play four hearts. So let's try three hearts. Change of suit is forcing over a preempt. Bad news. They don't like hearts. They probably won't even have a doubleton heart because usually when someone preempts and your partner changes the suit, you should raise the suit on a doubleton. They will have a singleton or a void heart. Well, there's nothing we can really do now to save the contract. We have to pass. So here's partner's hand, a total void in hearts. And I don't know how we're going to go in four clubs, but let's see, win that. Start to draw trumps. We've got 7 of them. We don't know how they're breaking. There are 6 out against us. They're more likely to break 4-2 than 3-3, but play the king. And now they're cashing the ace of spades. That is not their best move. The defenders could have continued diamonds and then played spades through my king. So in a way, we're lucky that that king of spades is making a trick. If the defenders had continued diamonds and then East played a spade, we probably wouldn't even make the king of spades. So let's make the most of the fact that we even got to this south hand. The only way we can get there is the king of spades. So, boy, we're down here. Play the hearts to pitch any losers we can, hoping for the best. Even try another heart, throwing the losing spade away. Well, that worked. That's great. So we can trump a diamond. That's 6 tricks. Play the queen, which is a winner. And we've got nothing else but clubs to play. So they had the Jack 9 and the clubs broke 4-2. And now we've got 2 more tricks with the clubs. So in fact, we did really well on a very difficult hand. Do you see that if the opponents had played diamonds and if this east hand can ever win a trick, they'll play the queen of spades through our king, but it will set up one spade trick for us. So the problem was the bidding. And then after I'd played the random hand, I looked at the scores and I was very surprised. I saw some scores where East-West had played hearts and they were doubled and they went minus 1,700, minus 1,400, minus a lot of big minus scores I saw in the random hands. And at first I wondered how could that happen? But now I realise that the people who really benefited from this hand were the ones who passed on the south hand. So the bidding would have gone 3 clubs from north, pass, which I don't think is the right thing to do at all. Double from west, pass, 3 hearts from poor old east. And whether they got to 3 hearts or 4 hearts, of course we would be doubling. And that's why there was such huge scores on this hand. Just goes to show preempts can ruin the opponent's bidding, but it can also put a pretty big dent into our own bidding if we don't have the right hands for partner.